When I first got into playing solo jazz guitar, I started listening mostly to piano players rather than guitar players, because there weren't really that many jazz players, jazz guitarists that were playing solo. And I'd always listened a lot to jazz piano players anyway, but through my dad's record collection, and listened to a lot of like stride piano players, some of the older guys like Art Tatum and Bud Powell. And I was fascinated with that left hand, right hand thing that goes on. And I've worked a lot with piano players. And what I'm doing a lot of the time, I'm kind of imitating the left hand and right hand of the piano. And one of the things I want to show you here is that a lot of the time I can really just use my first finger as a bar. You can almost say what the first and second fingers are like the left hand of the piano, and these two here are the right hand. It kind of crosses over a little bit, but that's kind of a simplification of it. So if I take a tune like one of the tunes that I teach here, Misty, if I take the melody away, then I can start improvising on that with like the right hand of the piano. The other thing is to use this part of the first finger. There's a lot happening here as well. So we can start getting this kind of thing. So I use the little finger a lot. So what you need to do is start building up strength in the ring finger and the little finger, and you can do exercises just with barring across here. Hammer off, hammer on. This kind of thing. Just start building up the strength, because I've been doing that for so long. You can actually see that my little finger on the left hand is thicker than on the right hand, because I use that a lot, because I like to play a lot of things with these two fingers, these three fingers here, and keep this finger here free. Using that inside of the first finger as well. So if you can split that up, it can be very effective sometimes just playing these kind of bars across here on the fifth, fourth and third string. Very, very, very effective. Also remember, you don't always have to play a lot of the notes within the chord. You can just pick an interval out within that. You don't always have to play even play the root. You can actually start on the third. So instead of playing a C major seventh, you can play an E minor seventh. So that's how I get that sound there. That's a very pianistic kind of sound. So this is how to get a kind of imitation of the left hand, right hand of a piano, and kind of dividing these four fingers up into this. This is the left hand of the piano. This is the right hand of the piano.